Hello children, today we will learn addition of fractions. First we will learn how to add like fractions. Here two circles are given children, and here each of the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. And some colored parts are given. Let us write the colored part fraction. In this circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 8. The colored parts are 5 by 8, and for this circle it is 6 by 8. Okay children. Now we need to add both of them. Here we can see that both the denominators are same here. Isn't it? That means they are like fractions. Now we'll see the addition of these like fractions. Overall, we need to find the colored parts fraction of these two circles. Okay, children. So here how many are there? Here 5 colored parts are there. And if we add both of them, 5 and here 6. So 5 plus 6 out of 8, which will be equal to 11 by 8. Okay, children. But this 8, we can see that numerator is greater than denominator. That means it is improper fraction. That means it can be converted to mixed fraction. That means improper fraction always whole number exists. So what will be that whole number? We will find out. When we divide 11 by 8, then we will get 3 is the remainder. So the mixed fraction for this improper fraction will be 1 3 by 8. Okay children. Here in the first circle, 3 parts are left over. Now I want to cover these 3 parts by taking 3 parts of this colored part of the other circle, and I will fill it this one, so that this one circle becomes one whole thing. Okay. Now this full circle has become one whole part. This is 8. Now it became 8 by 8 now. That means it has become one whole part. Okay children. Now here what is left over children? 3 by 8. Now this one, 1 plus 3 by 8 is nothing but 1 3 by 8. That's what we got here. When we add two like fractions, we need to add the numerators and the denominator being the same. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 by the denominator being the same, which is equal to 11 by 8. Let us take another example children. Now we will add these fractions. It is 1 by 4 and this is also 1 by 4. Okay children. For adding the like fractions, you need to add the numerators only. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 by the denominator being the same 4, which is equal to 2 by 4. Now here we can observe children the resultant of these two fractions. Two parts are shaded out of 4. Let us take another example children. In this first one, these both are like fractions. So in the like fractions, add the numerators. The numerators are 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 by the denominator being the same 3, which is equal to 6 by 3. 6 by 3 can be written as 2. Coming to the next one, 9 by 5 plus 11 by 5. These both are like fractions. So we need to add the numerators, denominator being the same, which is equal to 20 by 5. 20 by 5 can also be written as 4. Here coming to the next example children, 8 plus 2 by 9. 10 by 9. Okay children, in this way we can add like terms by adding only the numerators, the denominator being the same. Now let's learn how to add unlike fractions children. When the denominators of two fractions are different, then they are called as unlike fractions. Now how to add them? For adding two unlike fractions, we have two methods children. By finding equivalent fractions method and by taking the LCM of the denominators method. First we will see this method, finding equivalent fractions. How can we add two fractions? So here children, we need to write the equivalent fractions of each of these fractions unless we get the denominator same. 2 by 3 equivalent fractions are 2 2s are 4 by 3 2s are 6 and also equal to 2 3s are 6 by 3 3s are 9, also equal to 2 4s are 8 by 3 4s are 12, also equal to 2 5s are 10 by 3 5s are 15. Similarly, 1 by 5 can be written as 1 into 2 is 2 by 5 2s are 10, also equal to 3 by 15. Okay children. So in this way, until we get the denominator same, we need to find the equivalent fractions of these both fractions. That means 2 by 3 is equal to 10 by 15. 10 by 15. And 1 by 5 is equal to what we got, 3 by 15 plus 3 by 15. That means we have converted these unlike fractions to like fractions. Now the addition of like fractions, add the numerators, denominator being the same, we get 13 by 15. This is the answer. In this way we can find by taking the equivalent fraction of both the fractions children, which has to be added, but it is time consuming and for the big numbers this is not so easy process. Now let us take another example children. Now these two unlike fractions we will add by taking LCM of the denominators method. Okay children. So now the denominator here is 7 and for this fraction the denominator is 9. What is the LCM of this both denominators? LCM of 7 and 9 is 63. 63. Now what you need to do is you put the fraction bar like this and this LCM whatever we got, that you write in the denominator place. Okay children, that means the LCM of the denominators you write it in the denominator place. Now after this you take the first fraction, this denominator and this denominator LCM. 7 into what is equal to 63? 7 into 9 is 63, isn't it? So this 9 you write in the place of numerator and that should be multiplied with this one's numerator 3. Okay children? Next, here also the same thing you need to do, and here whatever sign is there it is plus. So put the plus sign here. Next, this denominator and this denominator, what is the relation? 9 into what is equal to 63? 9 7 ja 63. So this 7 you need to write here, multiplied it with its numerator, that is 4. Okay children, next, in the next step again draw the fraction bar. Here you write 63 and now 9 into 3 is what? 27 plus this is 7 into 4, 28, which is equal to, in the numerator place what we had? 27 plus 28. That means it is 55 by 63. Okay children. So this is the answer. 3 by 7 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 55 by 63. Let us take another example children. Addition of these two unlike fractions. So here we need to take LCM of the denominators. Let us find the LCM of the two denominators. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So LCM will be, here LCM of 9 and 15 we got 45. So here you put this LCM in the denominator place. Now 9 into what is equal to 45? 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45. Now this 5 you need to write here multiplied with that numerator. Okay children. Similarly, here plus is there, you put that plus sign here. Now 15 into what is 45? 15 into 3 is 45. Now this 3 you need to write here. Multiplied that one with that numerator into 2. Which will be equal to, here the 45 will be as it is. Now in the numerator what we are having? 5 into 7, 35 plus 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to, in the numerator now we are having 35 plus 6, that is 41 by 45. This is the answer children. In this way we can add unlike fractions by finding the LCM of the denominators like this. Let's take another example children. Here two mixed fractions are given. How to add two mixed fractions? Here you need to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions children. So converting this improper fraction to mixed fraction, what we'll get? 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 2, and this is what? 4 into 7, 28, 28 plus 3, 31 by 4. Okay children. Now here the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. And 2 watts are 4? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now this 2 multiplied with numerator. Okay. Now this plus will be, here you will be writing, and 4 into what is equal to 4? 1s are 4, 1s are 4. This one multiplied with this numerator. we will get 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 into 31 by 4, which is equal to 45 by 4. Okay children, now here numerator is greater than denominator, that means this is improper fraction. We can convert this one to again a mixed fraction. Okay, by converting this improper fraction to mixed fraction, what we will get is 11 1 by 4. Now let's add these three fractions children. The denominators are 11, 22 and 33. By taking the LCM of these three denominators, LCM of 11, 22 and 33 is equal to, the LCM of 11, 22 and 33 is 66. Now we need to draw a bar like this, and denominator will be the LCM 66. Now 11 watts are 66, 6 ja. That 6 you need to write here multiplied with that numerator. Now next, here plus is there, plus 2 watts are 66, 3 ja. So this 3 multiplied with the numerator 3. Next, plus 3 watts are 66, 2 are. That 2 you need to write here multiplied with 33 into what is 66, 2 are. 2 you need to write here multiplied with numerator 4. Okay children, next, here what we get, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 2 4s are 8 divide by 66 is equal to 12 plus 9 plus 8. How much children? 29. 29 by 66. Subtraction of fractions. First we will learn children how to subtract like fractions. In this circle, the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, now we'll write the colored part of this. It is 7 by 8. Okay children, 7 by 8. Now I want to take out two parts of this one. I am taking out the two parts of this one. That means I have subtracted two parts out of 8. What is the shaded part of this one? 2 by 8, isn't it? So I have subtracted 2 by 8. Now what is left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 8. The leftover shaded part is 5 by 8. Just like addition of like fractions children, the subtraction of like fractions, you need to subtract the numerators, denominator being the same. Okay children? The fraction part of this is 2 by 4 minus this is 1 by 4. Okay children, that means two shaded parts are there out of 4 and one shaded part is removed. Okay, then only this part, only one part of the shaded part will be left over, no? So that is here the result is 1 by 4. In the subtraction of like fractions, we need to subtract the numerators. 2 minus 1 is 1 and the denominator being the same. Let's take some more examples children. Here the numerators for the like fractions, the numerators are subtracted 12 minus 7 and the denominator being the same. Here we get 5 by 15, or the equivalent fraction of 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. Here we need to convert these two mixed fraction to improper fractions, children. That is 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 minus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 3, which is equal to 8 minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. Subtracting unlike fractions. As we have seen, children, in adding the unlike fractions, we have taken the LCM of the denominators. The same process here also we have to do. That means we have to take the LCM of the denominators. We get the LCM of 4 and 20 as we get the LCM of the denominators 20. That LCM we write in the denominator place, and 4 watts are 20, 5s are 5 multiplied with 3, the numerator 3. Okay. Now here minus is there. You need to put the same symbol, minus. 20 watts are 21s are. So you need to write 1 here multiplied with numerator 1. Okay, children. Which is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 1 1s are 1 by 20, which is equal to 14 by 20. 14 by 20, if you need to write it in the lowest terms, then we need to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. 2 is a factor of both numerator and denominator, so I am dividing both numerator and denominator with the 2. That will be 7 by 10. Let us take another example, children. Here we need to subtract two unlike fractions. First we need to take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators we got 150. So here in the denominator place write 150. Okay. And 25 watts are 150, that is 6 multiplied with numerator 14. Next, here minus is there, so put minus. 30 watts are 150, 5s are 5 multiplied with numerator 11. Okay, which is equal to 6 into 14, we get 84 minus 5 into 11, 55 by 150, which is equal to 29 by 150. This is the answer. Let's take another example, children. Here two mixed fractions we need to subtract. First convert them to improper fraction. 5 into 8, 40, 40 plus 1, 41 by 5 minus 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31 by 7. The LCM of the denominators we get 35, and 5 watts are 35, that is 7. 5 7s are 35. This 7 multiplied with numerator 41 minus 7 watts are 35 is 5. 5 multiplied with this numerator 31, which gives us 287 minus 155 by 35, which gives us 287 minus 155, that is 132 by 35 as it is. This is the answer, children. Let's take another example, children. Here this is a combination of two operations, children. One is addition and subtraction. The combination of addition and subtraction. Now this we are going to do. First we need to take the LCM of 4, 5 and 8 denominators. We get 40 of these three denominators, 4, 5 and 8, children. So 40 I am writing in the denominator place. Now 4 into what is 40? 10. So 10 multiplied with numerator 3. Now next here plus is there, you put that sign plus. 5 into what is equal to 48? 5 8s are 40. Now this 8 multiplied with this numerator 2. Next, what sign is there, children, here? Minus. So put minus here. And 8 watts are 40, 5s are. So write 5 multiplied with numerator 7. Okay, children. Now this gives us what? 10 into 3, that is 30, plus 8 into 2, that is 16, minus 5 into 7, 35 by 40. And 30 plus 16, how much, children? 46 minus 35 in the numerator and denominator as it is, which is equal to 46 minus 35, 11 by 40. 11 by 40 is the answer, children. In this way, by taking the LCM of the denominators, we can add or subtract fractions, children.